we will wait for the score to come in. 72 points now. Landon Cable gets us on the board at 72. Clayton Ratliff out of Cape Girardeau, Missouri. We are ready for you in the timeout room.
Wyatt Owens just takes over the lead in round number 2 with a 4-7. 4-7 as we go to E.J. Bechtold now. Booker, Texas, Northwest Oklahoma Junior Rodeo Association. 5-7 on E.J.'s first one.
Zachariah Phillips, Hobbs, New Mexico, going to try to chase down now. Landon Cable in the lead at 72 points. Our 10 Hall Rodeo team member this week. Clayton Ratliff, Cape Girardeau, Missouri, had a 15-7 in go round number 1. Going over to the Shawnee Teeters and check out the Cruel Girl shirts and jeans. Corral boots, Justin boots, cinch jeans and shirts as well at the Shawnee Teeters. Or check out the new styles of boots, ladies wear and men wear. They have it all for everyone at Shawnee of Teeters and at the trade show right here at the International Finals Youth Rodeo. So check it out. If they don't have it here, Tim, you can go down to the store, and I'm more than certain they have it at the Shawnee Teeters Western Store of Shawnee. 23-2 for Clayton Wright.
On E.J. Bechtold now, Booker, Texas, 5-7 on his first one. Gets a hold of this one in good shape. Go on, E.J. There it is. Yeah. And we just changed the lead in round number 2 again. 4-6. 4-6. That'll move him to second place in the average on 2 with a 10-3 total on 2 head, buddy.
Take notes if you want to be a spear wrestler over there now. Ryan Rule.